just gave me so much joy. It's something different to what we normally do. You can see the greens and the walnuts, and they work so harmoniously together. We've paired it with an antique brass, which I think just sets it off perfectly. I absolutely love this kitchen. To complement the 4-metre high ceilings, we've used a full height pivot door. We've used the same green marble as we discussed previously in the kitchen and raised the height so it correlates really nicely with the ceilings in this space. We've also got a log fireplace, which is a perfect setting for a winter's night.